Out of my room naked. I never have on any clothes.
Welcome to Owen Allen Media. Popular TikToker Rosalee is taking legal action after a shocking violation of her rights by the Jamaica Constabulary Force. During a police operation at her home, officers allegedly caught her in a state of undress, and soon after the video surfaced on social media. This disgraceful act has left Rosalee humiliated and in emotional distress, and now she is demanding justice. Enough is enough. We don't want the fancy words from the police department. We want action. Somebody must be fired, and Rosalee must be compensated for this crime against her. Too often police officers get away with their actions, protected by their superiors and even the government, but this time it will not work.
Out of my room naked. I never have on any clothes. And the policeman video me and put it on social media. So I don't know what to do. I see him with the phone in my hand. See him with the phone in my hand, but through a police, me click to my senses to video my video. Because remember, so them duty is to serve and to protect. So me never know say video this man have video me. 1 pint with flashlight. And to my friend out and me sleep is like say, me no never, well, me a grab off of the gun and me a box it out and or something. Because me just get up out and me sleep. You know, when a friend out here sleep, he had him out of my room, take place. Be a police running here, that's them a do sting search. Just I hope it doesn't affect them mentally. Just hope and pray for that. You know, so kids will always be kids, especially their parents have kids.
So while the JCF claims they have launched an investigation through the Criminal Investigation Branch and the Inspectorate and Professional Oversight Bureau, words mean nothing without real consequences. It is unacceptable that while the police warn citizens against sharing explicit content, they are the ones violating people's privacy and spreading these kind of footage. Now, this is an outrageous abuse of power, and the people of Jamaica, we must demand accountability. So let me know what you think in the comment section. Rosalee has every right to sue, and justice must be served. The JCF must act right now. No cover-ups, no delay, no excuses, because this is unacceptable. You get me? Yeah, man. All right, so that's the video for today. Owen Allen Media. We keep you informed.